Okay, guys, this is for my Tier 2 folks. Again, Jay, Jace, Henob, Kendasia in my homeroom, Jamario, Miracle, Ariana, and Josie in Miss Precise's room. Today's lesson is going to be on author's purpose, so we're going to review an author's purpose. And remember, the author's purpose is the reason why the author writes and we have 4 purposes. It's either to entertain or express. It's either to persuade or to inform. So 4 things: entertain, express, inform, or to persuade. Okay, so we're going to read this article. Get the computer right. All right, we're going to read this article, and you're going to reread it through Cami, and you're going to submit it. Okay. Okay. Author's purpose. The author's purpose is the reason an author writes something. So the author's purpose is why he writes it. An author's purpose may be to inform, to persuade, to entertain, or to express ideas and feelings. Sometimes the author may have more than one purpose for the writing. Like he or she may start out as one purpose, and then by the end of the writing, it's a totally different purpose. Read the following passages and answer the questions below. Did you think you want to be an astronaut or astronomer? Sorry, let's try that again. Do you think you want to be an astronomer? Keep reading to find out whether astronomy is a good fit for you. First, are you a naturally curious person? People who become astronomers probably began asking questions as soon as they could talk. Astronomers are excellent observers. Remember, an observer is someone who watches. They have to be because they spend a lot of time looking through a telescope. Are you a patient person, or do you get restless if things don't happen right away? Astronomers do a lot of waiting because few things happen quickly in space. Another thing to consider is how much you like math. If you enjoy numbers and solving puzzles, astronomy might be just a right fit for you. Sorry, Miss Napper's a little tired. All right, what is the purpose for this article? Remember, our purpose is to inform, to persuade, to entertain, or to express ideas and feelings. All right, so is he trying to persuade you of something? Is he trying to persuade you to become an astronomer? No, I don't think so. Is he expressing ideas or feelings? I don't think he's saying he loves this or he likes that or he doesn't like it. So I don't think those two would work. All right, what about entertain? Is he saying something funny? Is it making you laugh when you read the article? So I think the author's purpose is to inform. So I'm going to write right here, what is the purpose of this article? The purpose is to inform the reader, which is who you are, about what? The purpose is to inform the reader about what? About how to become an astronomer. I'm going to say the purpose is to inform the reader about how, or not really how, what it takes to become an astronomer. Okay? Now the next 2 you're going to do, or the next 3 you're going to do. Underline a sentence that tells you why the author wrote this article. Underline a sentence that tells you why the author wrote this article. Well, he said, do you think you want to be an astronomer? Do you think that's why he wrote it? Keep reading to find out whether astronomy is a good fit for you. Okay? Did the author write this article to inform or to persuade? And how do you know? Well, you're going to choose one. You're going to choose either inform or persuade, and then you're going to answer how do you know. So that's 1 question and 2 questions. So this is number 1, which will be this right here. So that's number 1. And then this is number 2 question. Okay? So So you got to figure out whether he wants to inform or persuade, and then tell me why. And then why does the author say the astronomers should be patient people? Well, it talked about the patient right over here on this side. So make sure you reread this part and then answer that question right there. Okay, I can't do it all with you like we could if we were sitting at the table, because then I don't know what you're doing as far as writing it down. So I can't write it all down with you, but I did show you where to locate the things. So make sure you're completing this, and I'll see y'all on Monday at our group session, because school starts back on Monday, February the 8th. And I hope you're studying this stuff that we've been going through all week, guys, because test day will be Wednesday the 10th. Have a great weekend.